Hi there! Welcome to English Grammar by a Russian teacher. Today we are going to talk about the present simple tense. It's lesson 1. Let's get started. Listen and look. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I always wash my face. She always makes the bed. I usually drink coffee for breakfast. He usually drinks tea for breakfast. They often brush their teeth together. She often takes a bus to work. They sometimes cook breakfast together. He sometimes goes to work by bus. We rarely meet for lunch at the weekend. He rarely runs in the morning. I never go to the gym. She never eats cereal for breakfast. She eats eggs. Listen to the examples one more time. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I always wash my face. He usually drinks tea for breakfast. They often brush their teeth together. He sometimes goes to work by bus. We rarely meet for lunch at the weekend. We use the present simple tense to talk about habits and daily routine. Look at these words: always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. We use these words in the present simple tense. These words are adverbs of frequency. They describe how frequently something happens. Look at my calendar. I always drink coffee for breakfast. Always, all the time, at all times. Look, 100%. Usually. She usually takes a bus in the morning. So most of the times it normally happens. She normally takes a bus in the morning. 90%. Often. He often goes to bed late. It happens regularly or many times. Look at the calendar. He goes to bed late on Sunday, on Tuesday, on Friday. So it happens many times, 70%. Sometimes. He sometimes goes to the gym. It happens from time to time. It's not consistent. It happens with irregular intervals. So, for example, he goes to the gym on Sunday, or on Monday, or on Saturday. So he sometimes goes to the gym. It's 30%. Rarely. We rarely see each other. Rarely means not often, almost never. Look at the calendar. We see each other on Sundays, just once a month, so almost never, 10%. Never. I never drink tea for breakfast because I drink coffee. Not at any time or not once. Look at the calendar. I don't drink tea, or I never drink tea for breakfast. Number 2. Listen and look. The train leaves at 7:25. The bus arrives at 4 o'clock. School begins at 8:30. So we use the present simple tense for a timetable. 3. Listen and look. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The earth goes around the sun. We use the present simple for general truth and facts. 4. Listen and look. I live in Moscow. I work as a teacher. Number 4. We use the present simple for permanent situations. 5. Listen and look. Smith passes to Johnson. Johnson shoots and it's a goal. First, I take a bowl and break an egg into it. Then I add some sugar. How do I get to the train station? You go straight on until you come to the traffic lights. Then you turn left. 5. We use the present simple for demonstrations, commentaries, and instructions. 6. Let's make a sentence. To make a sentence, we need a person or people and an action. For example, I drink coffee. I is a person or subject. Drink is an action or verb. I drink coffee. You drink coffee. We drink coffee. They drink coffee. Look, a person or subject plus an action or verb. I drink coffee. You drink tea. We drink coffee. They drink tea. You drink tea. Look, for she, he, it, we need a person, an action, and s. She drinks coffee. She drinks coffee. He drinks coffee. It drinks milk. Look, we add s to the verb. She drinks, he drinks, it drinks. Have a look at these sentences. Listen and look. She drives a car. It rains in autumn. She plays the recorder. Drive, drives. Rain, rains. Play, plays. After voiced consonants, we read S like Z sound. Drives, rains, plays. He cooks every day. She makes breakfast. It sleeps all day long. After voiceless consonants, we read S as a S sound. Cooks, makes, sleeps. Look at the rules of spelling. After O, we write ES. For example, go plus ES is goes. Do plus ES is does. Look at these examples. She goes to work. He goes to work. She does yoga. Look at the word study. If the word ends with a consonant and Y changes to I and we add ES. For example, study, studies. He studies hard. Y changes to I and we add ES. Study, studies. Rules of spelling, part 2. We add ES after the letter S. For example, pass, passes. She passes her exams every year. We write ES after SH, CH, and X. For example, watch, watches, fix, fixes, finish, finishes. Look at the sentences. He watches TV. He washes cars. He finishes his work at 5. Remember, you have breakfast. We have breakfast. They have breakfast. I have breakfast. But she has breakfast. And he has breakfast. Have, I have, you have, we have, they have, but she has, he has, and it has. It has breakfast. I have a shower. She has a shower. So that's all for now. Bye. See you next time.